Welcome to Motorsports Mania, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive news, and insights into the future of mobility. Today, we are taking a detailed look at the 2025 Toyota Mirai, a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle that is redefining the landscape of sustainable driving with its cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and impressive performance. Toyota has been at the forefront of alternative fuel technology for years, and the Mirai is a testament to the brand's commitment to a cleaner and more sustainable future. The 2025 model continues to build on the strengths of its predecessor, offering a sleek and futuristic design that stands out on the road. The aerodynamic profile, sharp LED headlights, and refined body lines contribute to both aesthetics and efficiency. The bold front grille and flowing silhouette make the Mirai look both modern and sophisticated, ensuring it remains one of the most stylish hydrogen-powered vehicles available. Under the hood, the 2025 Mirai is powered by an advanced hydrogen fuel cell system that generates electricity through a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen, emitting only water vapor as a byproduct. This zero-emission technology provides an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional gasoline and electric vehicles. The power output has been further optimized, delivering smooth and responsive acceleration while maintaining an impressive driving range of over 400 miles on a full hydrogen tank. Refueling the Mirai takes only a few minutes, offering the convenience of a gasoline vehicle while being significantly more eco-friendly. Inside the cabin, Toyota has crafted a luxurious and high-tech environment that ensures both comfort and functionality. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ambient lighting create an inviting atmosphere. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, offering heating and ventilation options along with ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The driver-centric cockpit features a large digital instrument cluster and an upgraded infotainment system with an intuitive touchscreen display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, advanced navigation, and voice command functionality make connectivity seamless and effortless. The premium audio system ensures a high-quality entertainment experience, making every journey more enjoyable. Safety is a major focus in the 2025 Mirai, with Toyota equipping it with the latest driver assistance features under the Toyota Safety Sense suite. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring work together to enhance driver confidence and ensure a safe driving experience. The improved sensor and camera systems provide better accuracy and response, making the Mirai one of the safest hydrogen-powered vehicles on the market. The ride quality of the Mirai is exceptionally smooth, thanks to a well-tuned suspension system that absorbs road imperfections effortlessly. The near-silent operation of the hydrogen fuel cell system makes for a peaceful driving experience, while the precise steering and well-balanced chassis ensure stability and control on highways and city streets alike. Toyota has engineered the Mirai to be both efficient and enjoyable to drive, proving that sustainability does not mean sacrificing performance. Another advantage of the Mirai is its contribution to a cleaner environment without compromising practicality. The spacious trunk and well-thought-out storage compartments make it suitable for daily use, whether commuting or taking long road trips. Toyota continues to expand hydrogen refueling infrastructure, making ownership of the Mirai increasingly viable for more drivers. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Mirai represents the future of sustainable driving with its innovative hydrogen fuel cell technology, premium design, and advanced features. It is an excellent choice for those who want to embrace an eco-friendly lifestyle while enjoying the benefits of a high-tech, stylish, and comfortable vehicle. With Toyota's commitment to pushing the boundaries of hydrogen mobility, the Mirai stands as a strong competitor in the evolving world of clean energy transportation. Thank you for watching Motorsports Mania. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest automotive trends, features, and expert insights, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.